What is Vue.js? Vue.js is a progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces and single-page applications, or SPAs. There are three important concepts here: progressive, framework, and SPAs. Let me explain them one by one. First, framework. Why do we need to learn a JavaScript framework? Or let me ask a different question. What's wrong with writing vanilla.js? A good software developer knows how to get the job done well and fast. If you don't need to write code from scratch, why should you? Frameworks are just tools that help build solutions well and fast. For example, do you see a construction worker using hands to hammer in a nail? He has a tool for that, and so have you. Vue.js is here to hand you those exact tools you need for your front-end web project. In my opinion, the best thing about using a framework is that it frees you, the developers, from many tedious and boring tasks and details, allowing you to focus on the creative and fun part of the development. In other words, frameworks improve developers' productivity. Besides Vue.js, there are other popular JavaScript frameworks like React, Svelte, Ember, and Angular. The skills you acquire in Vue.js can be seamlessly transferred to other frameworks. What is progressive? Progressive means that Vue.js is incrementally adoptable. If you have an existing web application written in HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript, you can easily integrate Vue's core library in just a portion of your application that needs a richer and more interactive experience. On the other hand, Vue is also perfectly capable of powering sophisticated single-page applications when used in combination with modern tooling. For example, components, routers, state managements, and supporting libraries. My point here is that it is not all or none. You can add the pieces you need. What is an SPA? An SPA, or a single-page application, is an app that does not require page reloading during use. All you need from the server is a single HTML page, and all the contents will be dynamically generated by using JavaScript. You are using this type of application every day. For instance, Gmail, Google Map, Facebook, or GitHub. And more companies are switching to develop SPAs. So in future videos, we'll discuss how to build SPAs using Vue.js. Next, let me briefly discuss the advantages of using Vue.js. Vue is reliable. Vue is a mature and battle-tested framework. It has been used in production by millions of users worldwide. Vue is easy to learn compared with other frameworks. Vue is fast and lightweight. In the unlikely case where an app uses every single feature that Vue provides, the total runtime size is around 27 KB. Vue is also smart enough to analyze your codebase and optimize it for you as it compiles, so you don't need to manually optimize your code. Vue scales well. Vue is perfectly capable of handling large-scale front-end applications. Last but not least, Vue has an amazing ecosystem. That is actually something that is very important for an open-source project. The core Vue library comes with tools and libraries both developed by the core team and contributors. For example, DevTools, Vite, Vue Router, Pinia, Vue Press, server-side rendering, Vue Use, Quasar, Vuetify, Element Plus, static site generation, testing utils, IDE support, Next.js, and so on and so forth. Do you feel excited? I do. Next, let's create our first Vue application. But before that, let me show you how to access the demo code of this tutorial. See you there.